Welcome back to the House Channel. Today we have challenger Tommy Jones. We're gonna throw one ball per lane and we're gonna move across the house 1 through 6 and then lane 6 all the way back to lane 1 here.
We're gonna use a different ball on every lane and a different ball coming back. We have 5 balls, so a couple of the balls will get 3 shots, but every ball's gonna get at least 2 shots. I feel like that gives me a little bit of advantage, even though they are the same on every building in America on the left side. All right, 2-pin advantage.
Tommy's got a 2-pin advantage, and the way we're doing this, we're not scoring it like a game. Every shot, the amount of pins that you get is the amount of score that you get. So the maximum score for the 12 shots is gonna be 120. If Tommy beats me, he'll get the chance to win however many pins he knocks out.
I'm just gonna throw this one. I like this one.
What's the new ball?
It's the Emerge.
Oh, that is literally a new ball. I don't even have one yet. Got a
The
chance
good news
to go.
is no matter what, I will still have an advantage after this frame. That's the good news. The bad news is that wasn't very good.
Yeah, I'm surprised it gave you 9.
All right, 19 to 8. Oh, that's going high.
Because they're the same everywhere on the left side, everywhere.
Yeah, that's why
every lane, every center.
That's why we're changing balls, so you have to move your feet.
You once told me that I had tricks, so maybe I won't move my feet.
You do, more than I care to admit.
What ball was that?
Pearl Cuda.
Cuda
A little bit
Pearl.
cleaner, a little bit more down lane, so we had to move a little bit right. Make sure we get it through there.
I threw the Hellcat Accelerate on my last one this time. Track Stealth.
Oh, that's a good one. I'll throw the Stealth Pearl on my next one.
Oh,
Yeah, doesn't get back from everybody for there. All right, 29.
just for the guys with touch.
29, 28. Pearl Stealth. Oh boy. Oh. That was so good.
It's tough to beat the guys when they say, oh boy, when their ball is halfway down the lane.
I said it before that. You just couldn't hear it. The echo.
The echo bouncing back to me.
All right, well, you can only be down, I mean, if you strike here, you'll only be down 1. It's not bad.
-1. I would have liked you to have this rack.
It's a little open for you. Could ring 7.
I feel like I always underestimate how much that ball hooks.
It does hook quite a bit for a...
It just hooks way more than I thought it would.
That is correct. All right, on to the GB4 hybrid with a 2-pin advantage.
A little tight rack for you.
We'll make a veteran move.
It's got 10-pin written all over it.
A little veteran move a little left, get it around, get in the splash zone.
49 to
38.
38.
No, 37.
37. I missed on the last one.
Yeah, 49, 37. All right. So now that we've thrown all the balls and we've come this way, you're down 2. So now you can start selecting. I'll let you pick.
Okay, you'll let me pick first.
Yeah.
I want you to throw the Cuda Pearl.
Cuda Pearl over here. Oh, you on
What?
the fresh lane. Oh, I did get your thing down this lane though.
Yeah, baby, come on.
I think what we forgot about is a few of these little tricksters we did earlier with the plastic balls and the urethane balls. That did carry it down quite a bit. That was well played to pick that one there.
I intentionally picked the weakest ball that I thought you brought with you.
That is it.
Because I was a little nervous because I went through 1 through 4 and then I picked the weakest ball that I had. So I was very nervous that it would not hook on lane 5. What ball do you want me to
Obviously
throw?
mine didn't.
It doesn't matter for you, this lane's fresh for me.
Yeah, so you can throw, I'll let you pick. You can throw your Rhino over there.
Throw my Rhino?
Yeah.
All right, so chance to take the lead.
All right.
I made the move. You can choose my ball, and I'll let you pick whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw the GB4 hybrid since I did just throw it on this lane. Ooh. I down 1? If you strike here, I'm down 2?
Strike and you're down 2.
Okay, looking for a bucket of chicken. Maybe with a wing. Oh, wow, wow. What was that?
Little 5 left and give it the heater. Try to avoid the plastic.
He outsmarted me there. He did, I'm not gonna lie.
I got a little nervous on the approach when I got up there though, and you said, "Oh, what's that?" Because I got up there and then I moved way back and about another step to the left.
All right, so I'm down 2. Well, I threw this one over here, so I'll switch lanes. Throw the crypto boom.
You like that crypto boom.
I do, that one. I think that one rolls good. All right.
What's for me? What's next for me?
Yeah.
Your options are Tundra Fire, Stealth, Top Speed, and...
I'm gonna need to get the lead, so we're gonna go, they're all fresh for you now. That's not good.
They're all fresh for both of us.
Yeah,
but-
so it doesn't matter now. You can throw the top speed, they're all good. There's no good options for me.
Well, you get to choose on lane 1 which ball I get to throw 3 times.
That's
That
true.
might give you some help.
That lane does hook more. I think it's a little bit shorter. The building's angled differently. It's just angled like a little bit like a round. They had to cut it short. All the people that tell me league it's short.
That the lane is short?
Yeah, they bowl league here. It's shorter, so it just, they take a little bit of oil out of the front to make it hook more. All right, back to even.
All right. Even Steven with 3 to play.
I'm gonna throw the emerge on lane 3 since I threw it on 2 last time, just to mix it up a little.
Oh no. What?
That ball's good. She hooks a lot.
Apparently.
That ball's good.
Arrow to the left. So I get to pick my own ball now, right?
Yep, you can pick your own ball. Tied up with 2 to play.
Tied up with 2 to play. Pick the Stealth because it's already on the rack. Oh. Slap the Stealth.
All right, still tied, well done.
My financial future is in Tommy's hands.
Stealth Pearl.
Ooh.
That one's very, very good too. Very, very good. I like that one a lot.
I have a problem. I don't really know how much this one's gonna hook because I've thrown it once and it was on the lane that had probably 40 plastic ball shots on it.
I think it'll roll the same. I'd play it the same.
All right,
Maybe give it a little thumb down.
a little thumb down. Yeah.
See how that works for you.
Oh.
All right,
So what happens here if we...
we're
are
tied.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna say what happens here because my look on lane 1 is questionable to say the least.
I'm gonna throw the emerge in because it's my favorite ball right now. Just in case that's not good enough to win, you do know tie goes to veterans.
Tie goes to the veterans. We'll have to come up with something.
Backwards through our legs.
Okay.
Be cool for everybody to see.
Okay. Well, let's hope I strike.
Yeah,
Let's hope I strike and give the people what they want. I'm going with the Tundra Fire because I don't know.
this lane hooks more. It is shorter though. Like, just look at the building, the way that's shaped.
Oh, it feels a
Kind of
little.
like a U shape.
It's not good. I'm nervous. The ball feels slimy, but it's really just my hands.
You guys bowling little local tournaments back home, if Packy talks to you, just ignore him. It'll mess with his mojo. Just don't talk to him. If he talks to you, just go. It'll be in his head. Oh, that's so good. All right, since I went first, I'll let you go first now with the backwards to your legs. I went first the whole time.
I just don't like that. Are you gonna hook yours or what?
I don't know.
I'm nervous. I've never thrown a shot backwards between my legs for $115.
Me either.
Here's the thing, I don't get to win the 115. And when you say me either, yeah, maybe not for 115, but I know there's been. Oh!
Oh, that was. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what it's called hustling a young buck.
That's a loser. If I could have a redo, now would be the time. Tommy's done this more than once.
Not with a 12
It's the
soul.
12. It's the 12 soul. Oh, go in the gutter. No! Hey, great shot.
No, we're doing it again. Redo.
Now do I get to pick it?
No, you get to go first again.
You get to go first. You go first, please.
We're tight on the left.
I was really, really sweating on that one. I'm not gonna lie.
It's only 5. I feel like with those long arms, you can just do that.
The problem is the directional awareness.
Just pretend like you're facing that way. Uh-oh. Why are you moving over there?
So I can hook it a little bit.
Yeah. Yep. I don't feel like he's done that before.
I've probably done it about 3 total times.
I actually got the extra 5 I needed. That's a perfect score of 125.
A perfect, nice, even 120 after the roll. You should have done like a same time so we could rack up a couple more pins for you, but.
Yeah, no, it's good.
It's all right. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you guys want to follow along for more fun videos like this one, click that subscribe button down below. Follow Tommy on all of his non-existent social media pages.
There's a couple out there.
We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you send Packy all the videos and questions about things.
Yeah, please. I'll answer them all.
That was actually really bad. I can bowl like 180. I can bowl like 180 this way.
I don't know how you do that. What was that? I gotta not think so much.